When people hear the words hearing aids, many still imagine large, bulky devices with whistling sounds and poor quality audio. But the truth is, hearing aid technology has changed dramatically. If you visit Hearing First Milton Keynes, the audiologist often hears the same myths repeated again and again, so let's clear a few up. Myth number 1. Hearing aids are only for elderly people. Not true. Adults of all ages now wear hearing aids, especially with increased awareness of hearing health and noise exposure. Myth number 2, that hearing aids are obvious and bulky. Today's hearing aids can be incredibly discreet, with some sitting comfortably behind the ear or even hidden more deeply inside the ear canal. Myth number 3, hearing aids make everything loud. Modern technology is designed to improve clarity, especially speech, while helping manage background noise in busy environments. And here's another important one. Not every hearing problem means you need hearing aids. Sometimes hearing changes are caused by earwax buildup, which may improve after microsuction or syringing. If hearing feels harder than it used to, the best first step is finding out why.